In the last few years, humanity has braced horrific natural disasters, ranging from massive floods to earthquakes, to the recent wildfires in Los Angeles, that have claimed so many lives and billions of dollars in damage. But imagine a disaster so catastrophic and deadly, that it might lead to the total annihilation of everything living in the path of its impact. We are talking about the newly discovered asteroid 2024 YR4, which has a 1 in 43 chance of striking Earth in December of 2032. And if it does collide, where exactly will this deadly asteroid hit Earth and what kind of damage can it inflict? Are we even prepared to protect ourselves from this killer asteroid? A collision between celestial bodies that results in observable consequences is known as an impact event. Such events have played a crucial role in shaping the solar system since its inception. Significant impact events have had a profound influence on Earth's history, and are believed to have contributed to the formation of the Earth-Moon system. But the most destructive impact event to take place in Earth's history was the Chicxulub impactor about 66 million years ago. This cataclysmic asteroid, about 6 miles in diameter, collided with Earth and led to the extinction of dinosaurs and other species. An asteroid causing this level of damage has not collided with Earth hereafter, although our planet has had its fair share of smaller asteroids entering our atmosphere and causing significant damage to the area below, while blowing up on entry. One notable example is the Tunguska explosion of 1908, when a 60-meter asteroid detonated in the atmosphere over Siberia. Although it never made direct contact with the surface, the blast leveled more than 80 million trees across an area of approximately 830 square miles of forest. A more recent event occurred in 2013 with the Chelyabinsk meteor, a 20-meter asteroid that exploded in the atmosphere over Russia. The resulting shockwave shattered windows and glass across the region, injuring over 1,500 people. And now, an asteroid named 2024 YR4 has been identified, which has a 1 in 43 probability of impacting Earth in December 2032. This represents one of the highest known probabilities of impact from a sizable asteroid to date. Measuring approximately 196 feet in width, the asteroid is currently located 27 million miles away. It's about half the size of a football field. If an asteroid of this size were to hit Earth at phenomenal speeds, the devastation caused would be unimaginable. The asteroid is classified as a level 3 on the Torino risk scale, signifying a close approach that requires careful monitoring by astronomers and an impact probability exceeding 1%. On December 22, 2032, the asteroid is expected to pass extremely close to Earth, coming within approximately 66,000 miles. Given this proximity, there remains a possibility that its trajectory could result in a direct impact. If it does collide with Earth in 2032, the most likely areas for impact run from South America across the Atlantic to sub-Saharan Africa. Size, composition, and impact location are crucial factors in estimating potential damage. However, due to the asteroid's current orbital conditions, accurately determining its size and composition remains challenging. Astronomers will have an opportunity to assess these characteristics in 2028, when 2024 YR4 makes a lower-risk close approach, coming within approximately 5 million miles of Earth. But assuming that the data recorded by scientists about 2024 YR4 is accurate and if it does hit Earth, the impact effects would be confined to a localized area rather than affecting an entire region, but it still has the potential to cause severe damage. The asteroid is likely around the same size as the 1908 Tunguska rock, whose damage has already been mentioned above. It unleashed energy equivalent to the detonation of up to 50 million tons of TNT upon exploding in the atmosphere. Luckily, the Tunguska event took place in an area that was sparsely populated. but the forest area that was leveled was the same size as Cape Town, South Africa. An aerial explosion of this magnitude in 2032 would affect close to 5 million people, not only causing billions of dollars in damage, but also leading to huge number of casualties. And what exactly can we do with our current defense technology to avoid such a global disaster? To address this, NASA and various space agencies are actively working on strategies to mitigate asteroid risks. In 2021, NASA launched the DART mission, marking its first planetary defense test, which successfully altered the orbit of the asteroid moonlet Dimorphos by colliding with it at 14,000 miles per hour. The impact shortened Dimorphos's orbital period by 32 minutes, with the ejected debris amplifying the orbital change, demonstrating a potential method for deflecting hazardous asteroids. This same method can also be employed to deflect 2024 YR4 from its projected course in case it is destined to hit Earth. That being said, United Nations planetary defense organizations are actively tracking this asteroid. According to the European Space Agency, there is an almost 99% probability that the asteroid will safely pass by Earth on December 22, 2032. However, a potential impact cannot yet be entirely ruled out. And with almost 8 years to go, and multiple factors contributing to the asteroid's orbital changes, only time will tell if asteroid 2024 YR4 will either be a city killer or a harmless celestial event that stargazers could witness in the sky. But what are your thoughts on asteroid 2024 YR4? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And be sure to subscribe to the channel for the latest revelations in space exploration. Hit the bell icon to stay updated, and let's continue to explore together.